right, over here at a local salvage yard, the new place that we moved to, and just checking out some stuff, looking at some projects or parts of the projects for the F-150 and the Mustang. And you can tell I'm a truck guy because I came to the truck aisle first, completely walked by this SN95 sitting right here, and then I completely walked by the I think it was like a 66, 65 Mustang next to a Fox body. But I saw those trucks in the background and walked straight to them. So, all right, let me see what I can get and get some parts out of here. All right. Rocco! All right, gonna pull the center console out of this one here. Always bring gloves because unless you want these little weeds tickling your inner thigh. I wear shorts because it's hot here. So I'm gonna rip all those up real quick so I can work on the car so I'm not over landing to get to and from it. Found this in the center console, so I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it up a little bit so it smells nice while I'm working in here, you know, creature comforts and all. It's a fellow YouTuber of mine, guy I served with in the Navy. His name is Jason, and I think his YouTube channel is like Gapston's Log. Anyways, Jason, penny signal, look at that. Right here in the center console. And as you always say, into the pocket. This person was well traveled too. I found some Euro. A 50 piece and a 20. Alright, I apologize if there's wind noise, but I've decided to come back and get some more stuff out of this new edge here, the ones behind me. And I decided to get 2 seats, and I'm gonna try these seat belts out. They changed them apparently for the new edges, and my convertible has a retractor at the top and bottom. No one anywhere out there makes any replacement seat belts, and I saw that these actually have a fixed point at the bottom and a retractor at the top, so different from ours, but should be the same. Hopefully it works, retractors work, so we'll see what happens, give it a shot. But yeah, I got 2 front seats and seat belts. You know, the seats, they're in kind of rough condition, but a lot better than what I've got. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in there, clean them up, get them reupholstered eventually, but even these looking like in a lot better condition. So we'll see what happens.